don't use scrubs on your face. Even if they write face and body, don't use it for your face. They will only help to increase the sensitivity level of your face. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So very quickly, in today's video I'm going to be giving a very depth explanation and also answering some questions, because I've been getting frequent questions on this, and also clarifying some basic things you all need to know, like from the thumbnail, from the title, how to exfoliate your skin. When it comes to exfoliating the skin, exfoliating is the most important part in our skincare routine. People are always confused. They're like, what is exfoliation? Okay, how can I exfoliate my skin? What do I use to exfoliate my skin? What scrub can I use to exfoliate my skin? What scrub can I use to exfoliate my face? Should I use the same body scrub I'm using for my body on my face? Is it safe? What can I use? Which is better? How long should I exfoliate? How many times do I exfoliate my body in a week? So do not go anywhere, guys, because I am going to be answering all these questions for you. So like me, you can decide to grab like a piece of sprinkles, or if you have popcorn, you can sit down with your popcorn, eat and relax, and don't go anywhere. Okay, guys, it seems like I did not introduce myself before. Hi, I'm Choma Akujeze, and here on my channel I share skincare tips, I make product reviews, and I also do DIYs. So if you're seeing this face for the first time, hi, thank you so much for stopping by today. And if you're a returning subscriber, lots of love to you, and God will continue to bless you for always coming back to check up on your girl. What is exfoliating? Exfoliating is the removal of dead skin cells from the body. Skin renews itself every 28 to 42 days. But if you are above 50, it takes about 84 days for the skin to renew itself. During that time, you want to make sure that you are removing the dead skin cells from the body. You are shredding those things off. You are taking those things off so that the new skin cells that are coming can be visible, and all those dead skin cells will leave. This now takes us to types of exfoliation. Like, what are the types of exfoliation? We have two types of exfoliation. The first one is physical exfoliation, and the second one is chemical exfoliation. Physical exfoliation, this is the use of abrasive tools, yet still gentle, to scrub out and to remove the dead skin cells from our body. Examples of physical exfoliants: we have exfoliating brushes, we have exfoliating gloves, and exfoliating scrubs. Now, the exfoliating brushes, these exfoliating brushes, they can be used just like that. The second one is the exfoliating gloves. The exfoliating gloves too have the texture of the exfoliating brushes. This exfoliating glove, most people tend to use it with their physical scrub, their physical body scrub. Also a gentle way of scrubbing your skin and removing dead skin cells from your body. So like, if you actually have something like this is your sponge, the sponge that you use to actually bathe, you show that your skin is going to be properly exfoliated. So now the third one is the exfoliating scrub. We have different types. We have the salt, we have the sugar. This one, you can use it with your bare hands. If you don't have the brush and you don't have the gloves, you can use it with your bare hands to exfoliate your skin. Or you can also use your brush and the scrub if you like, but you do it gently so that you do not hurt your skin. You can also use the scrub with the exfoliating glove to also scrub your skin to remove the dead skin cells from your body. Second type of exfoliation is chemical exfoliation. Chemical exfoliation can come in form of a toner, cleanser, or serum. Chemical exfoliation, they are basically mainly for the face. Physical exfoliation, those scrub and those things, they can, most time they can be so hard on the face, especially when you are using it with the scrub. It can be so hard and make your face very sensitive. One of my previous video, I think my affordable skincare routine for beginners, I talked about the cool spa body scrub. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to leave the link to the video up here so you go and check out that video out. When I was still ignorant about this, I used to use scrubs on my face. That's what, whenever I use like the cool spa body scrub, I'm not saying that it is not good. It is very good, but whenever I use it for my face, the next day I break out. Like, I would break out whenever I use it. After doing my research and actually knowing about this, I stopped using it for face. I only use it for body. So please don't use scrubs on your face, even if they write face and body. Don't use it for your face. They will only help to increase the sensitivity level of your face. They are meant to be used for the body. They are meant to be used for those dark parts in your body, because if you have dark part, like your armpit is dark, trust me, that is when you use scrubs like that for your body, because they will help to remove those dead skin cells and help to reduce the appearance of those dark or tan parts on your skin. When it comes to your face, the best thing for you to use is chemical exfoliants, and like I said, they come in form of toners, cleansers and serum, because they are not as thick as your body scrub, that's your physical scrub or exfoliating scrub. Examples of chemical exfoliants, we have the AHA. When I mean the AHA, meaning that you would use products that have this AHA in them. Examples of all these ingredients that fall under the AHA, we have glycolic acid, we have lactic acid, we have the citric acid. The second one is BHA, that is the beta hydrochloric acid. Under this category, we have salicylic acid. This particular one is best for those that have acne. If you have an acne prone skin, you're going to benefit from products that use salicylic acid in, or go for cleansers that have salicylic acid and toners that have salicylic acid in them. Now, the next thing we're going to be talking about is how to exfoliate your body and your face. When exfoliating all these parts in our body, we're going to need an exfoliating gloves and the exfoliating scrubs. So I remember a lady actually came in contact with, like, she's a light skinned person, but she really has a dark armpit. Like, when I mean her armpit is dark, it is too dark. I gave her an exfoliating scrub to use, so like every day, let's say like 3 times in a week, she uses the exfoliating scrub to scrub that part, and she used it alongside with the glycolic toner, and it actually helped to brighten up that part for her. Moving on to the face, do not use a physical exfoliant for your face. I've explained that already. Most especially scrubs, do not use them for your face, so that they do not disrupt the pH balance of your face. And when you're for your face, you want to make sure that you're always, that during the day, if you're going out, if you cleanse your face during the day, you want to make sure that you are going in with your moisturizer and your SPF to protect your face from the sun. And for your body to, after exfoliating your body, you could just moisturize your body and apply your body oils on your skin. The next question frequently asked is, how long do I exfoliate? Like, if you're paying attention to this video very well, you observe that you know that I've actually said like how long you should exfoliate, and not because I said remove the skin cell, meaning that, oh, you should be exfoliating your skin every day. Come on, no. When you exfoliate your skin every day, you are disrupting the pH level of your skin. You're also increasing the sensitivity level. You're making your skin too sensitive. So when you want to exfoliate, you should make sure that you give it an interval of days. Like for me, I'm going to tell you to exfoliate your skin like 3 days in a week. Make sure you exfoliate your skin 3 days in a week. So now, what are the benefits of exfoliation? Like, when you exfoliate your body, when you exfoliate your skin, You help to circulate blood. Also helps to brighten up your skin. It makes your skin glow. It also helps for a fresher appearance on your skin. It encourages your skincare products to absorb properly into your skin. So if you're that type that used to have a problem with when you get a new product, you say, this product is not working, or like it's not working, I've not seen any difference. It is because you have not exfoliated your skin. So when you exfoliate your skin, it enables your skincare product to absorb, and it allows your skin to be able to take in the necessary product and allow that new skincare product to do its work properly. Like I say, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you have questions, or if you have any suggestions, or any product you've used, any scrub that you've used, come down to the comment section. Let's talk about it there. I'm going to be there to answer all your questions. If you want me to also recommend any products for you, come down to the comment section, so I'll be also there. Please like this video if you haven't, and if you watched me up to this point, I love you guys so much. God bless you. God continue to bless you. Like, share to your friends, and in my description box I'm going to leave a link in my description box that, okay, if you want to get any of the products, maybe if you have any products in your mind that you want to get. And also thank you for not skipping the ads, and if you're skipping the ads, please don't skip the ads. Watch the ads to the end. It's also a way of you guys showing your support to me and encouraging us to do more and put some great content for you guys here. And don't forget to check out my next video. Don't forget to check out my previous video, and until then, I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.